Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Can I buy a ticket to Lukla?
Sorry?
Can I buy a ticket to Lukla? Alright, quick vlog. Sounds like I'm going to be going to have my own plane. And this is my own special treatment for going in direct. I'm going to have a whole plane to myself. This is insane. Okay, perfect. Just for me.
Just for you.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.
This for you? There you go. Special treatment. Yes, my brother. Yes, this is my bag. There you go. Perfect, brother. Thanks, man. All right. The hike officially begins. And there you have it. Got my trekking card, got my permit to go into the national park, and I'm in. Whew. Well, here I am. Just me, my rucksack, and the mountains. Beautiful. Finally made it. Namaste.
Ajo. Chowmin pakaidine le. Chowmin pakaidine le.
This place. Chowmin.
Yes.
Yes, possible.
Yes. Oh.
Ima. More like
Ah, lovely. Have you? Ah, thank you, brother. Okay, first day of acclimatization has come around, I'll tell you that much. What do we have here? Ah, a little yak. Come on. You can come through. You're welcome, buddy. Oh, and here it is. Finally made it to the stupa. Oh. It's lovely. Namaste. Oh, it's a little corner. Look at that for water, my brother. Thin ice. Thin fucking ice. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hello, enjoying your celery? Home sweet home. A few people have been asking me about the setup. What's in the big bag? Let me just go through it with you quickly. So we've got the clothes, quick dry underwear, shorts, thermals, thick trousers for when there's snow, hiking hat for the sun, woolies for the snow, and then we've got, that's my dirty laundry basket, wash bag, first aid, rations, food, dried meat, soups, medication, electronics, bandages. I've got other woolies such as mittens, normal gloves. My Buddhist beads are in there as well for when I go to the monasteries. Here's the bag with the suspension so it doesn't break my back, because it is 15 kgs that I'm carrying. And yeah, pretty much all of those smaller bags go in the big bag. And then I've got my 2 water bottles, I've got my Nalgene, and then my carbon filter bowl. So once I've filtered the water and put in a tablet of chlorine, then I can put it through the carbon filter to take out the chlorine again, and it doesn't taste like a swimming pool. So yeah, that's a quick setup of the bag and the kit, and hopefully that'll get me to the next stop.